The 28-day Keto Challenge is a detailed and comprehensive plan that will guide you through the first month of your keto diet. What's included? A lot of people who try to follow a ketogenic diet end up failing miserably for a lot of reasons, but mostly because they didn't have a solid plan. If you want to shed excess weight and stay healthy, you need to have a strict guideline to follow. Those who don't have a solid structure behind their diet almost always fail eventually, and it usually doesn't take very long. There are a number of things that you will get when you purchase the 28-day Keto Challenge. Each of these resources is designed to help maximize your potential for success. The Keto Basics. You will get a book that details the basics of the keto diet, which is an important foundation to start off with. It will provide you with all of the different benefits of following this diet for the long term. There is also a nice little keto food pyramid that comes with a shopping list to make things easier for you. The 13 tips for success in this book will list all of the foods you can enjoy as well as the ones to stay away from. Eating on Keto. The Eating on Keto book that you will get features 10 different recipes for delicious breakfast meals, 12 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes. There are also a number of snack ideas that will help you keep your cravings in check. It comes with a calendar that will show you what you should eat for each meal every single day for the first 28 days. This calendar makes sticking to the keto diet easier than ever before. Tips for staying in ketosis. The Tips for Staying in Ketosis book will detail how your body physically changes when you enter ketosis. It will explain how to make this transition as smoothly and effortlessly as possible. This transition only takes a few days if you follow the detailed instructions in this particular guide. The smoother your transition is, the better your chances will be of succeeding with your diet long term. Benefits. There are tons of benefits you can enjoy from purchasing the 28-day Keto Challenge. This set of guidebooks will make it easier for you to transition into this type of diet so you have the best chance of success. It can also help you to sleep better, lose weight and boost your energy levels significantly. Many people who follow this specific diet also find that their hair and skin even look healthier. Price. You can purchase the entire 28-day Keto Challenge for only $37, which isn't bad at all when you consider all of the resources you get. There is a ton of useful information that can help you stick to your diet for years to come. Click the link in the description below to buy it now. Who should buy the 28-day Keto Challenge? Anyone who is interested in starting a ketogenic diet should consider purchasing this product. It can be of particular help to those who are trying to lose weight or have failed at a keto diet in the past. You will have a solid plan and guidelines for maintaining your new diet properly for the first full month. If you want to be healthier and happier, this is a great resource to use. The program is essentially an introductory guide to encourage and assist you as you try keto for yourself. Keto is a challenging diet to uphold full-time, and there is no reason for you to be doing it all year round. 28 days is a very decent amount of time to see and feel great results, and is also just over the 21-day mark, which many psychologists say is the perfect timeline for someone to change or form a new habit. Everything you find in this guide is laid down in a systematic manner to assist you in being on par with your dietary schedule in the keto diet. However, that's not all. You also get several frequently asked questions discussed and explained, which is how you can understand ways to unleash the true potential of the ketogenic diet. Additionally, you also get Keto Resource phone number that can be reached during the time you get riddled with doubt regarding this method. Make sure you've understood everything down to the details so as to leverage the benefits of this Keto Resources slimming method. You can still eat all the foods you love, as long as you make substitutes for the ingredients that aren't good for you. The program is not rocket science. It's what we all should be doing, eating healthy, balanced meals, everything in moderation. However, it does take commitment and planning. Having a day-by-day plan truly helped me to get the results I needed. I believe this is critical for the first month. Click the link in the description below if you're interested. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the link button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.